Welcome. Now we will study today about frequency distribution table. So sometimes in collected data, some scores appear again and again. The number of times a particular score occurs in the data is called the frequency of that score. In such cases, a frequency table is made with three columns, one each for the score, the tally marks and the frequency. Uh, first, what we have to do, in the first column scores are entered in ascending order. For example, enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 in order, one below the other. Read the scores in the data in serial order and enter a tally marks, that is 1, for each in the second column of the table in front of that score. Example, if you read the score 3, make a tally mark in front of 3 in the second column. Place 4 tally marks like this, but make the fifth one like this. Okay, 4 lines and then cross the line. It makes it easier to count the total number of tally marks. While seeing, we can say that 4 appeared 5 times. So this is the, after seeing only we will come to know this is 5. Count, third step, count the total number of tally marks in front of each score and enter the number in the next, that is third column. This number is the frequency of the score. Fourth, lastly, add the frequencies. Their sum is denoted by the letter n. The sum is equal to the total number of scores. Now, first example we will see, then you will come to know. Making a frequency table of the given information or data. Example, the distance at which some children live from their school is given below in kilometers. 1 3 2 4 5 4 1 3 4 5 6 4 6 4 6. Let us see how to make a frequency table for this. So it is given, first we will write down the scores. Okay, that is given 1. See, smallest number is 1 and biggest you can see 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 we can write after seeing this. Then tally mark. See, 1, when we are solving we have to do like this. I am showing here only. See, 1, so 1 cancelled. 3, so I will come here, 3 cancelled. 2, so I am going on to shown one line. 4, 1, 5, 1, 4 again here, 1, 1, then 3, 4, 5, then 6, 4, 6, 4. So 4, see here it is fifth number, so crossed. Okay, and then 6. Now see, you can see 2. See the pencil marker. Now don't see the that black color pencil. Then 1 2 5 2 3. So when you are adding 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 3 15. So here they have given about the 15 children, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So in this way you can check. So total frequency is denoted by the letter n. Frequency is denoted by the letter n is equal to 15. So in this way we can show the frequency table. Okay, so now we will solve the just important points I will repeat. A simple way to tabulate scores is by using tally marks. A table in which the number of tally marks indicates the frequency is called frequency table. When the number of scores is very large, a frequency table is used to find the average. Now we will solve the practice set 55. So 55, question number 1, it is given. The height of 30 children in a class is given in centimeters. Draw up a frequency table of this data. Okay, if you see here 131, 135, 140, 138, 132. So smallest if you are seeing it is 131 and biggest number if you are seeing it is 140. So we will start from 1. So the columns, see, already have written height of children in centimeter. tally marks frequency. So first smallest is 131. So 131, 132 is also there, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139 and 140. Okay. So here tally marks now we will go. So when you are solving, you have to see 131, 1, so cancel, so that no confusion will. 135, then 140, 138, 132, 133, 135, 133, 134, 135, 132, 133, 140, 139, 132, 131, 134, 133, 140, again 140, 139, 136, 137, 136, 139, 137, 133. See, 133 already 4, so cancel like this. Then 134, 131, and last 140. So 140 also. So you will come to know that tally marks you have done all. Now count it. This is 3, 3, 5, 3, 3, then 2, 2, 1, then 3, 5. Okay. So here total frequency. Now we will see total frequency. Okay, that is denoted with letter N is equal to. Now just add all these. So 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 plus 2, 19, 19 plus 2, 21, 21 plus 1, 22, 22 plus 3, 25, 25 plus 5, 30. So total it is 30. So this is our final we have solved. So in this way we can do the now second one. Second one, it is given in a certain colony there are 50 families. Okay. The number of people in every family is given below. Draw up the frequency table. So if you see here, smallest number if you will see it is 1 and 5, 4, 5, 4, and biggest number you can see 5. Okay. So first to go through that. So first we will make the column I made. So write down number of members or peoples, both you can write. Okay. Then tally marks and then frequency. Okay. So now smallest number is 1, then biggest now 2, 3, 4, 5, biggest number is 5. So now we will start. Okay. So 5, 4, then again 5. Oh, sorry, first one 5, so I made by mistake this first. I've written. Okay, just we will see. See here 5, then 4, then again 5, then 4, then again 5, then 3, then 3, then one more 3. So after writing, cut it. Then 4, then again 3, then again 4, then 2, then 3, then 4, 2, then again 2, then again 2. Okay. Then one more 2. So again 4, then 5, 1, then 3, 2, 4, 5, then 3, again one more 3, then 2, 4, then one more 4, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 3, then 4. So like this, if you will go on doing, you will get see where I stopped. Okay, 3, then 4, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 3, then 2, 3, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, then 3, then again 2, then 3, 2. Okay, so in this way, when we are doing, so you will get 1, then 13, then 16, then 13, and then 7. I forgot to cancel. Okay, so 1, 13, 16, 13, 7. Now we will do the addition. So see, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 3, 19, 19 plus 1, 20, and 2. So total 50 we got. So frequency, total frequency, n is equal to 50. You have to check in this way. Okay. So when you are doing cancellation, after tally mark, cancel or cancel and do tally mark. That is but patiently you do. Okay. So that is important, and it should match with this total number of chapatis families it is given, that is 50. So according to that you have to put the tally marks. Okay. So while you are doing, patiently you have to do. Okay. Now we will come to the next question. A dice was cast 40 times and each score noted is given below. Draw up a frequency table for this data. Okay, so data is given 3, 2, 5. You know, dice, when we are throwing, we are getting either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, smallest number is 1. So, we can write number on the upper face of the dice. Okay, tally mark, and finally frequency. Okay, now you know dice, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you are throwing, you will get these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will start 3, so then 2, then 5, 6, then 4, 2, 3, okay, then 1, 6, then one more 6, 2, then 3, 5, 3, then 5, then 3, 4, then 2, then 4, then 5, then 4, 2, then 6, then 3, then one more 3, then 2, then 4, then 3, then one more 3, 4, 1, then 4. Okay, so then 3, then one more 3. Okay, 3, then 2, then one more 2, then 5, then 3, then one more 3, and then finally 4. Okay, so we got these 2, 1, 2, then 8, then 13, and then 8, then 5, and finally 4. Okay, I forgot to cancel. Okay, so see here 2, 8, 13, 5 plus 3, 8, 5, and 4. Now you add all these. See, 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 5, 26, 26 plus 4, 30. So 3, so total it is 40. So total frequency n is equal to 40. Now we will solve the next question. Question number 4. The number of chapatis that 30 children in a hostel need at every meal is given below. Make a frequency table for this course. It is given number of chapatis 3, 2, 2, so on. So if you see here, no 1 is there. So smallest number is 2, then 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we will write number of chapatis. Number of chapatis. Okay, then tally marks, and then frequency. Okay, now it will start from 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is not there, so we will start now. 3 first mark, then cancel. 2, then one more 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 5, then 4, then one more 4, then one more 4, then 3, one more 3, then 2, then 2, then one more 2, then 3, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 3, then 2. Okay, so we got 5, 9, then 10, then 8, and finally 3. So 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 9, 20. So 30. Total 30 we got. So total frequency, that is n is equal to 30. Here we solved practice set 54. Sorry, 55. Thank you.